Hello, my name is Ruth Mills and I am the architect and the creative vision behind Salon Alchemy, which is an exciting new approach to salon software and salon web design. Now, a year or two ago I was doing some research into the various salon software packages out there on the market, and I realised that the vast majority of them were very expensive, costing hundreds if not thousands of pounds to buy, either requiring people to pay a large amount of money up front or to be tied into a long-term hire purchase agreement or other long-term contract. Which is probably okay if you're an established salon and you've got the resources to be able to pay for something like that, but it was really putting it out of the reach of people just starting out in the industry and perhaps mobile-based therapists or home-based salons. So we realised that there was a real need for an affordable salon software system. Now, because we've got a background in developing web applications, we've been working with Java for nearly a decade, we came up with the idea of a secure, online, web-based salon management system which will work with virtually any computer with a broadband internet connection. So that means that you can, for example, go out and get one of those free laptops that come with like a broadband internet subscription, and you'll then be able to connect to Salon Alchemy and use our system straight away. So you won't need to fork out for expensive hardware, for example touchscreens or barcode scanners or receipt printers or tills or anything like that. You just need a box standard computer with a web browser. Now, our system, we've designed it to be perfect for hair, beauty, nails, tanning, holistic therapists, makeup artists, anybody like that. So we designed it to be adaptable to your needs. You can customise pretty much anything in the system to do what you need. So for example, with clients, you might want to be able to store extra details about your clients, maybe their skin type, or any allergies or contraindications they might have for particular treatments. And with our system you can add what are called custom fields, which are really quick and easy to set up, and they will let you store pretty much anything you want or could even need to. Now, we're still working on the Salon Alchemy system at the moment, but we intend it to have features like an appointment calendar, a client database, and things like appointment reminders, initially by email but later text, and then of course online booking via your salon's website. And talking about websites, we also offer a web design service where we design for you a unique design bespoke to you. So unlike a lot of the cheap or free website providers out there that offer you a template which countless other people can also use for their website, we take a different approach. We design each website from scratch, starting off with a logo that uniquely identifies your brand, and then using that logo and colour scheme to come up with an overall look and feel for your site. Now, the other advantage of our system is that we make it easy for you to update your website yourself without needing a PhD in computing or any technical knowledge or anything like that. We've made it easy, and our system is designed with therapists and salons in mind. So, for example, we've made it easy for you to enter details of your treatments and your prices, and if you run special offers then it's easy to add details of your special offers. And what's also good is that often you'll only want to run your special offer until, say, the end of the month, and some people might forget to take the special offer down off your website at the end of that month, say. But with Salon Alchemy you can specify the end date for a special offer, and then our system will automatically take it down off your website after that date passes, so you'll never have an out-of-date special offer on your website. Now, if you've got a portfolio of images that you want to show, suppose for example you're a makeup artist and you've got a bridal makeup portfolio, or you're a nail technician, you want to show off your nail enhancements or your nail art, or you do eyelash extensions perhaps. Now, what we've come up with is a really easy system for you to upload your images to display in a gallery on your website, and your images are automatically resized when you upload them to our system, so you don't need to worry about that. And you can even have a copyright message added to each image automatically, and that makes it a lot harder for people to try and steal your images to pass off as their own work, because each image will have a message on the bottom of it saying copyright by, say, your name or your business name. Also, our web design is excellent value for money and significantly lower priced than a lot of the majority of other professional website designers. So for not much more than one of the cheap websites, you could have a professionally designed website unique to you. Now, if you've already got an existing website, suppose somebody else has designed it for you and they're charging an expensive hosting fee, or if they charge you a lot of money every time you want to add a new photo to your website or change your prices, then what we can do is take an existing website and make it work with our Salon Alchemy system, and that will mean that you can then just take control, make your own website updates yourself at no extra charge. And also, our web hosting fees that we charge are highly competitive too, and in some cases they're often cheaper than what some of the cheap website providers charge. So that means that we can offer professional web design and the ability to update your site yourself for less than what some of these template-based sites are charging. Now, we're a small family-run business, so if you get us to design your website, you'll be dealing with me directly. So I'm the person who designed the Salon Alchemy system. So you're never going to be fobbed off by salespeople. You know, we've got a particular hatred of pushy salespeople. And neither will you be fobbed off by technical support people who don't always know exactly what they're talking about. Because I wrote the system, because I designed it from scratch, I know exactly what it can and can't do. And if it can't do something, then I can change the design to make it if there's something specifically that you need. So we never like to say no for an answer when it comes to what your website can do, because we can always think about changing the design of the system to make it do what you need. And being a family-run business means that we can save you money because we work from home. So we're not paying out for office space, we're not paying out for managers on fat cat salaries or anything else like that. You're just paying for us to do the work for you. And we're totally dedicated to your needs too, and we pride ourselves on excellent customer service. And we've had some really glowing testimonials from some of our clients over the last year or so, which we're really chuffed with. So hopefully we're on the right track. So if you're interested in a website for your salon, or perhaps more information on our salon software system, then please give us a call, as we'd love to help you. Thank you.